As soon as we pull out, we almost ran into a car, and mommy was so scared. Instead of her saying, "Watch out!" she's like, "Hey, what out?" What out? Good morning. We are now currently at the, what do you call this place again? Snoqualmie waterfall. Check this out. Snoqualmie waterfall. Wow. I'm gonna turn it around. Guys, this place is beautiful. Wow. Right now, I would probably tell you guys to subscribe and check out the merch right here, but because this place is beautiful, so I'm gonna ask you guys to check out this place. Man. That's really scary. Look. Ooh. This way. Alright. This place is awesome. Man. We're gonna try to attempt to go down on that side. Let's see if we can test our capability on how far we can go down there.
All the way down. So you can push it up.
I'm kidding, guys. First time here. Snoqualmie, right? Huh? Snoqualmie. Snoqualmie? I don't know how to pronounce this, the name of this place, but it's nice. Man, look. I'm gonna show you guys how. Wow. Huh? Yeah, I know. See? Goes all the way down. That's it? I guess we have to look for another perfect spot. Be careful, be careful. Okay, here's another ankle. Oh. I'm gonna turn this camera. I forgot, so there's that big one right there, and there's actually another one coming out. You enjoying your day off now? Huh? There.
Where?
That's a camera. That's a camera.
What?
Right there.
I want this thing.
One, two. Should we go back? Yeah. Huh? Alright, we're going back. This place is nice.
It's a lot.
Huh?
It's a lot.
Here.
Look at it.
Huh? Okay. Alright,
Oh,
we're going back. We are going
Yes, sir. Baby.
Big.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, that's a short walk, but it's worth it. Man, that waterfall is, it's something. Like it's beautiful and dangerous at the same time. Very beautiful and dangerous. If you're in Washington, come check out this place. It's really good. It's only 49 minutes drive from our place, but can't believe we've actually been here in Washington, but we've never seen this place before. And it's only an hour drive. All right, I think we're gonna put you guys down for now and continue on our trip, our day off today. So we're just trying to kill some time before we head back to work. Peace, peace, peace out.
Yeah, about a year and a half ago.
Alright. Let's go check out the Stay on board. Stay on board. Okay. I'm actually all the way down to the waterfall. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from here. Man. See? Unbelievable. Let's get closer. Man, that's really nice. Uh-oh. Looks like we're getting close to the waterfall. There it is.
If you're wondering about the
I think that's how close I can get to. I think that's enough because my partner is waiting for me. Hey, it's worth it, man. $7 for 2 hours of parking, but this place is nice. All right, I'm gonna head back. It's a little bit of a long walk. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like it's their, I don't know if water runs through this or that's where they get their electricity. I'm not too sure. It's a mission to go down to the waterfall, but when you're going up, oh, it's a struggle. Ay, ay, ay. That happens when you're out of shape, and I won't even go there, but I'm going up, going back up. Wish me luck. Ay. Yeah. It's a big struggle. I'm so glad you didn't come because otherwise it would have been a disaster. It would have been a disaster if this girl came along. Okay, man, oh man, we're finally wrapping up our tourist tour here at the Akaka Falls, or Snoqualmie or Snoqualmie Falls. I'm not even sure what it's called, but man, oh man, it's worth it. But at the same time, if you really want to see the waterfall, you have to like put in the effort to go all the way down, and then just try to come up with a plan of action of how are you going to come up back up on the hill, because you probably need a helicopter or because it was very hard. Yeah, all right, one down. That's beautiful. This is downtown Seattle. We are in the heart of Seattle. Just taking a stroll down in downtown Seattle. It's so busy down here. Lots of people just walking around wasting their money. There's another street down there. Oops! Somebody looks familiar. Oh yeah. Okay, alright. Taking look at all these buildings and lots of people. A lot of people. What? No. Oh yeah. Man. We just got off from the crab pot. Guess what? I hate to say it, but it's not worth it because it's only for real Americans. It's not for Pacific Islanders because it's not enough. What? Berapa hari lagi, Neput? That's how it is. See?
These guys.
Metade. Huh? Oh.
The city.
Huh?
The city.
Can you guys see me? Okay.
Wait, but yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hurry up. All right. We get to go home now because we're full. Thank God for great dinner, great food, and then we're heading back. I wish you guys can see it, how beautiful it is at night, but it is lovely. Just look. This is in downtown Seattle. See the background? Boom, boom, boom. Wait. Okay, let's go. Alright. Did you get your phone? Huh? Did you get your phone?
Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
You got it. You're good.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
We just ate and we're now doing another round of exercise.
I don't know what it's game.
You see those, like in the movies? The alleys? Look. It's right there. Alright, and then we're heading upstairs. Going up the stairs again. We're struggling. Alright.
Look at video.
Welcome to Dubai. Okay, David, no, it's a good. You wish. You wish it's Dubai, but what a view. It's nice, huh? If you look straight on that side, straight ahead. I don't know if it can show on the camera, but wait, that's the building right there I'm pointing at. So it should be on the left. Right about there, that's the Space Needle. Yep. That's Space Needle. And then a little further down on my left, if I go a little bit further down on that side, that's gonna be the supermarket. Not supermarket, but Seattle's marketplace. That's where they throw all the fish And that's actually where the first Starbucks is located as well. And if you're scared of heights, ding, oh, that's all the way down. But beautiful view. Anyway, guys, welcome back to another video. Obviously, it's another day. I'd like to say thank you guys for tuning in. We're heading home now. It's a day off, Veterans Day or Labor Day, so we're gonna go ahead and get some chicken and maybe do some barbecue today with the kids. Other than that, you guys stay blessed. Thank you guys if you watched the last video that we just posted for Sunday service. Once again, we appreciate all the our families, ICC families from Iowa. Thank you guys for coming over and visit us, and thank you for spending the time to spend the time to have fellowship with us or service with us. So thank you guys. And for those of you who are new, welcome to our channel. This is the M3E. If you haven't subscribed, thank you very much. Go ahead and do that. For those of you who are loyal to our channel, we can't thank you enough. Continue to support us. Yeah, check out the merch. But other than that, stay blessed, and we'll see you later. Peace out. Well, welcome and good morning again. Good news and bad news. So bad news is we came to pick up our car at the valet parking, and unfortunately they didn't put us on the list. I was so worried, but good thing is the keys are right here, but we're not on the list. Actually, no, we are on the list. It's just a different name, or I don't know, for some reason the guy didn't see it on the list. But I was so worried because I tipped the guy, the valet parking associate yesterday. So I almost, for a second, I was gonna say, wait, I gave him something yesterday and he didn't book our car. So he's already got. So now we're just about to wait for our car, and then we head home. All right, M3E. We shall see you guys soon. Get ready to pop out the grill because we're about to go. All right. Okay. Take the water. Here. Let's see. I'm gonna see first. See if everything is in here. Oh, yeah, it's this one. We gotta make sure that the car is good, up and running, no scratches. Good. Okay. All right. All right. You're sure to go. Now the first thing is you can't start the day without coffee, right? I need my coffee. All right. I'm gonna put you guys down. We're so in a rush, like as soon as we pull out, we almost ran into a car, and mommy was so scared. Instead of her saying, "Watch out!" she's like, "Hey, what out?" What out? What out? All right, I'll what out.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, good morning.
Morning, what can I start for you?
Can I just get a tall caramel macchiato with extra shot, please?
Tall caramel macchiato with an extra shot. Anything else for you?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Alright, do you want a sleeve or stop around there, my friend?
Yes, please. That'll be good.
On the sleeve?
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, we'll see you on down 581.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. I didn't know that.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
581 for you. Righty. Get you going here. Alright. For just a moment.
All right, thank you. Autumn lit.
Alrighty, my friend. Here you are.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Good day.
Yep. Now we can start the day. Guys, we're back again, but we're at night. We had to wait for these guys to get off school. Actually, no, they didn't have school today, but they were just relaxing. All right. I hope this is clear enough for you guys to see. I've got Elston here and Sten. Okay, I'm gonna make this brighter. Oops. Nope. There you go. That's probably the, yeah. And then yes, I hope it's not too bright, but welcome back. Yeah. We're gonna end the night with a little barbecue. So we're out here just chilling and cooking away. That's Mr. Chef right there. Talk to him.
What's up, guys? It's Mr. Chef here. Just ending the night off with some barbecue. Yeah, welcome back to another video. Happy Veterans Day.
Happy Veterans Day. That is right. Elston, did you want anything to say?
Happy Veterans Day.
Uh-huh. Happy Veterans Day. Yes. It's looking good, guys. Yep. Anyway, hope you guys are doing great. So far so good right now. We're just waiting for the barbecue and then we'll get something to eat. Yeah.
Is that a chicken?
Your chicken? Yep. So the M3E is out here. And this is Mars. Mars just got off work. Oh, you need a shave.
Bro.
You need to shave, boy. Huh?
Sorry, not you. I need a barber. The barber need a barber.
Elston knows how to barbecue now. So, if you're in need of somebody to help you with your barbecue, Elston can help you. Yep. My boy can help you. My boys can cook for you guys. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's turn this off. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad. Right? See? I'm liking my light now. See? It's a really small light, but it can put a light on your face, like you can literally see. So it's good. I can show you, like, if I'm turning it off right now. Let's see how dark it is. Boom. That's me. So. Yep. Oops. Oh. Oh, that's middle. Yeah. And then we'll turn this on.
Relax.
Yeah.
Oh, Mars. I can't think of comments, bro.
Bam. Make sure you cook it good, okay?
What are we gonna put these in?
Alright, we are back again. It is now between Anacedon and Myronton. It's a competition between. What? Bless you.
Mom.
It's coming together. Coming together. Coming close to an end of us enjoying today's blessing. We're grateful for what we have. Right, Mouser?
Yep.
A little piece of that. Little piece of that chicken or spare ribs. Grateful for what God has blessed us with. Looks good. Oh, that looks good. Yep.
Anyway, it's between Marlson and Elston. So Elston is on the left, Marlson is on the right. He shifts to the right. He's taking the wings, taking the ribs, and he's flipping the wings too, and the breast, and the ribs again. Marlson is in the lead. Elston is taking a pause right now. He doesn't know what to do. Can't think right now. While Marlson, on the other hand, he's taking the lead. He's acting like a real chef. He's taking the show to another level. Marlson in the house. Oh, he's picking up after somebody who knows how to do barbecue. I'm not gonna say. Oh, he's testing it out. He's gonna taste it, and he's tasting it. Tastes good. All right, now it is Anacedon. Anacedon is now taking part of the game. He's shy. He's smiling again, and then he's taking one piece at a time. He's flipping it. Okay, there he goes again. He's laughing again. He's too shy. Okay, he's flipping. He's flipping one more time. Look, 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 look. Okay. Oh, he takes another drumstick. Ooh, all right. The competition is getting hot and hot and hotter, just like the chicken and the charcoal. Yes. And he realizes that it's not fully cooked yet. Oh, and he's embarrassed. Oh, how dare you? How dare you not cook the chicken? All right. Okay, he picks it up again. He turns one more time. He picks it up again, and he smiles. This kind of reminds me back in the day when somebody was saying natural. And he tastes of one of those mixer's flavors that says, "Aww."
Guys, this kind of brings back memories, but if I remember, I'll probably put it somewhere on the link somewhere so you guys can go back and watch that video. This was like when these guys were like babies, you know. But this guy, especially this guy, yep, he was the main actor. Oh, look at him! He's brushing it away. He's brushing it away, and he picks it up again. He's flipping it and flipping one more time. And this guy, he's coming. Okay. Anyway, but I'm very grateful for my son, my kids. They now know how to barbecue. So I'm giving you a heads up for those of you, you know, going down the road years from now. They know how to cook now, but not yet. They're not ready to get married yet. School first. Look at him. He's like laughing and smiling. School first, boys. Huh?
No.
You don't want to be bringing any princess in our family.
No.
We only have one princess in our family. Slash, she's the queen and princess in our family. So we don't need anybody to come in and take her spot. Huh?
Oh.
I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Don't burn it. Don't burn it. I'm not sure how it's gonna look on the video or on the camera, but looks like these guys are getting it. Austin is really picking up the craft from this chef right here, the craftsmanship. All right, I'm gonna save the battery for now, and then we'll talk later when the food is ready. Okay. Mommy has potato salad. That's your favorite. Okay. Ho ho ho.
Yes. Thank you guys for coming by. Just been bonding out here with my little brother, Austin Marcus. Look at that.
Yeah.
Just please, I still not look at the bottom.
That's all. What? That's all. That's all. That's all we have on the grill. The rest of them are in there. Thank you, chef.
Yep.
It's getting there. Boom, boom, boom.
Can we put that over here and I'll start?
What?
The cover. Ouch. No, just.
We didn't even need to buy that charcoal today.
It's
You
good.
guys just wasted money.
You guys can save it for November 27th.
Alright. Oh yeah, we can save it for 27. That's correct. That is correct. Alright.
What's November 27th?
Okay, let's get everything right in the middle. You don't know what's 27? November 27?
That's when the legend was born.
That's Marlson's Misao's birthday. You're gonna be 19?
18.
Huh?
18.
18?
Mhm.
Oh, you're getting old. And
You know
you?
what that means?
You're 14 now. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
18. Mark your calendars, folks.
Mark your
I want
calendars.
to see 11.8k of you at my house.
Alright, mark your calendars, people. That's his birthday on the 27th. It happens to be on Thanksgiving, I believe. So this is what is this the second time around where your birthday falls on the Thanksgiving
Yep.
day? Or on Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
That's nice. The world gets to celebrate your birthday.
with turkey, ham, potato salad, vegetables.
Oh yeah. All right. Okay, check back later.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. We're just finishing up the last few on the grill. And we're gonna head upstairs and then pray. And then we're gonna gather around and eat. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. And also over here, don't forget to watch the recent video my dad just uploaded. Shout out to Iowa, the man that came from Iowa. Shout out that church, and yeah, that's it. You guys be safe. See you guys in the next one. It's ridiculous.
Thank you. Austin, did you want to say something?
I think these are done,
Hope
yeah?
you guys enjoyed the video.
Alright guys, we want to say thank you again. Thank you guys for watching our videos. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that. There's going to be also videos on the side, the playlist that I'll be putting up at the end of this video. Other than that, we want to say thank you guys. We'll see you on the next time, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we did. Alright, thank you. Peace out. We're not gonna take you guys to or show you guys the food because
I'm gonna eat it all.
yeah, I mean, like, you already know we're just gonna eat. It's just dinner. But yes, thank you guys. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.